Good morning, everyone. Julian here with another video breakdown on GBPJPY. I know it's been a while. I actually haven't traded in a little bit. I've had a lot going on in my life, and also the market has been a little bit weird in terms of GJ. I know other pairs have been really well, such as gold, but GJ has been quite weird for a little bit. But caught a trade today, a winning trade, minimized my lot size. Instead of using 1% risk, I only used 0.5% risk because I haven't traded in a while. But let's go ahead with this breakdown. So I'm going to start on the daily time frame. As you can see, beginning of May, we had this consolidation uh, for about 16 days, so about almost 3 weeks, since that's only weekdays. And then we broke out of that with this strong bullish candle. And after that, once again, we were in a consolidation range for about another 3 weeks. Now, we were able to break out of this yesterday. I actually wasn't able to trade yesterday. I wasn't on the charts, or else I most likely could have somehow been able to catch this, since the candle in total moved about, wow, almost 200 pips in a day. So I'm sure there was a small chunk there for me, but wasn't able to catch it, wasn't on the charts. As you can see, the 4 hour, we kind of just been ranging. So since it was in an uptrend earlier, we consolidated at the top, and then now it looks like we're beginning a downtrend, which we've been in for a few days now, 2 or 3 days. Um, Heading down to the 1 hour. Let's see. This is where a trade could have been caught yesterday. It seems like right here, we were able to break below this zone on the 1 hour. Oh, wow, that was a beautiful, easy trade. Too bad we weren't able to be on the charts. 7 a.m. open, 1 hour time frame, and break. We had a break of this 1 hour candle, a retest, entries. We made an upper wick and then came straight down fast. So stop loss could have been about 12, 13 pips. And I get look right to the next zone we have drawn out. 46 pip total take profit. Looks like an easy trade that had no drawdown. But nonetheless, we did not take that. So let's head over to the 30-minute and look for the trade we actually did take today. So actually, to be 100% honest with you, my analysis was done on the 15-minute for today's trade. So we were in that downtrend yesterday. We made that low and then kind of rejected that. We went up. We're able to break that low. Let me put a little line here to show where that low was made. Break, retest, and then I guess through London, was able to break, retest, and then continue down. Then it came back, created a resistance before continuing on its way down. So looking at the 30-minute here, we created a low, came back, created a resistance, and then started working our way down. Looks like slight consolidation in here around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Eastern. Entered on the 15-minute, so we kind of, my entry was right here. We're consolidating. As you can see, this was a level already created in the London session. So we broke above it. Then all of a sudden, this candle, as you can see, the 7:30 a.m. candle broke below. And actually, I would have probably taken it earlier. I would have probably taken it during the 7:30 candle once we actually broke these lows here. But I was not on the charts. I was actually in the shower at that time. But when I came to the chart, this was closing below this level. And I kind of said to myself, I'm going to put in half of what I would usually risk because I would already be in this trade right here. But I was able to get a better entry when I came. My entry was 973. So we're almost right at that close. And so I entered, I had my stop about here, just right above this candle, which was also the 30-minute candle. And my final take profit would have been retesting these lows over here. And what I did was I added the half risk since as I said, I would have already entered, but I was just a little bit skeptical because the candle was closing bullish. So I added the half with the plan of adding another half when we broke this 15-minute low. Now, I that was my plan. Like I said, it would have been a 10 pip stop, and I would have, final take profit would have been 37 pips. Now, I did not actually do that because this level here was kind of worrying me. So that level, which was 12 pips from my entry, it wasn't a big deal for my first entry because 12 pips is 12 pips. I risked 12 pips, so that's where I would have taken my first take profit anyways. I would have taken partials there. But so since it worried me, I did not enter at the break of the low since it was only a few pips away. In hindsight, yeah, it would have worked out great because if I entered on that break of that low, yeah, it shot down 30 pips. Yeah, lovely, but that's not the way it goes. Didn't enter because I was worried about this zone. And it is what it is. I actually ended up closing the trade, I believe, around 83 here, 0.83, fully. So like I said, it's been a while since I've traded, or since I caught a trade. We've been in a zone, and I don't like trading in consolidation ranges. Just not the way I trade. But so I actually just took my full profits. I was happy with it. Feels good to be back. Feels good to get a win. Yes, if I held partials, we could have definitely caught some more as it moved 20 pips moved 20 pips down before coming back up. But you know, I don't. The way I trade, when I come back after not getting a trade, I like to secure my profits for almost the first week, and then you build up that confidence. And once you build up that confidence, then you're more confidently letting runners run because you'll understand how it runs a little bit better, and you'll have that extra experience of trading for that week. So since it's been a few weeks since I've traded, happy with my profit, took my profits, and it's a good win for a Friday. So we're going to try to come back on Monday and catch another win. Hopefully, we're blessed with another great setup. And yeah, hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. And hopefully, I will be reviewing a trade we take on Monday. So hope to see you guys soon. Have a great weekend.